Yo, my name's Kata G, here's my biology rap. You think AP Bio is over? Well, I'ma bring it back. If you pass through my hood, do a Medusa wave. My gang sign return is the polyp stage. They might say you're nerdy, they might give you some crap, but you'll just amaze them with the biology rap. This bacteriophage be getting all up in my grill. The tree might look green, but it's really chlorophyll. Those chloroplasts be pumping, making G3P, but only mitochondria making the ATP. Those eukaryotes with them endosymbionts think they be ballin', but they just pumping ions, using cytochromes in the electron transport chain, building up a gradient across the inner membrane. All of the plants in this world are truly ballin', making glucose from light is the true calling. Their main organs are their root shoots and leaves, present every angiosperm from sunflowers to trees, using xylem and phloem to transport their water. It don't matter if the conditions are hotter, they got the apical meristems to grow taller up and down. But vascular cambia make them bigger all around. If you pass through my hood, do a Medusa wave. My gang sign return is the polyp stage. They might say you're nerdy, they might give you some crap, but you'll just amaze them with the biology rap. Why helicase be hating, using zipping them genes? It's cause his only friends are replicating machines. Those Okazaki fragments being glowed by ligase, the leading strand synthesized the polymerase. Each strand is started by DNA primase, which is made of RNA, but will soon get replaced. Somewhere in that whole thing is telomerase, but nobody cares, so let's cut to the chase. Proteins, they sure got a lot of different functions, defense receptors, and as enzymes in reaction. It all starts with the transcription of DNA, which forms the template for some mRNA, and then we gotta process, get rid of those introns. Those SNRPs sure help to get that job done. tRNA brings some amino acid codons, the polypeptide goes APE, and then it's all done. I said if you pass through my hood, do a Medusa wave. My gang sign return is a polyp stage. They might say you're nerdy, they might give you some crap, but you'll just amaze them with the biology rap. This guy they called Darwin was a baller for sure, so he saw the Galapagos Islands on a tour. Noticed that each of the birds had different beak, came up with a theory about nature's technique, called it natural selection, and you know what that means. It means the generation was passing down genes with intense competition for water and food. It's no wonder everybody was in a bad mood. This guy named Mendel, he knew how to roll. He mated some peas way out of control, observed some traits and patterns of an inheritance with particular genes and laws of dominance, brought together probability, statistics, and botany to show why some seeds are yellow and others are green. If only Darwin and Greg had been real tight, supporting evolution wouldn't have been such a big fight. If you pass through my hood, do a Medusa wave. My gang sign return is the polyp stage. They might say you're nerdy, they might give you some crap, but you'll just amaze them with the biology rap. Those neurons, you need them because they're real fly. Though you walk, rep, ball, and see through your eyes, they sense and set impulses with dendrites and axons, the action potentials with an A+ and K+ ions. In comes sodium, watch it depolarize the membrane, the potassium rushes out, going through its own lane. Neurotransmitters released like epinephrine, but then the sodium-potassium pump gets back to restoring. Muscle contraction, you need it for sure. Without it, you wouldn't be moving no more. You got actin and myosin sliding over each other, but there's more to this essential process, my brother. The tropomyosin covers that troponin. That is until calcium ion rushes in, tropomyosin gets out of the way, and then the myosin heads latch on, seizing the day. If you pass through my hood, do a Medusa wave. My gang sign return is the polyp stage. They might say you're nerdy, they might give you some crap, but you'll just amaze them with the biology rap. Shout out to Pinto Valley Damage Super Seb, teaching us life science in their biology lab. By my lyrical genius, you may not have been fazed, but the biology rap had you simply amazed. If you pass through my hood, do a Medusa wave. My gang sign return is the polyp stage. They might say you're nerdy, they might give you some crap, but you'll just amaze them with the biology rap.
Word.